Hi guys, Wendy here. In this video, we're going to draw my Draw So Cute Ice Cream Sundae. So let's get started. With this sundae, we're going to first start by drawing the top scoop. So right here, I'm going to basically be drawing a big round curve for my first scoop of ice cream. So I'm just going to go nice and round all the way around. All the way over, I mean. And then from this point right here, I'm going to start to curve it out. The same thing over here. So that way it makes it look like it's a scoop of ice cream. So you want to bring out a little curve right here. And same thing over here. And then now you can just go ahead and add a bunch of curves and waves all the way back to connect it. So whatever ice cream scoop you make, just make sure you draw a big mound and then it comes out like that. That way it just makes it look more like a scoop. Okay, so next is the second scoop. So we're going to come out here and we're going to go a little bit wider. So we're going to come out right here and I'm just going to draw a curve. So same thing on this side. And then once again, that curve that comes out. And once again, just curve it all the way across and connect it. Okay, so now for our third scoop. And we're going to just start to draw our drizzle. So we're just going to come down, say about that much, and then I'm just going to go curve it in and out. So these are going to be deeper curves because it's supposed to be drizzle. So I'm just going to make my curves a little bit deeper. And then from there, I'm just going to add a little curve for that scoop of ice cream. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and connect this at the bottom. So we're just going to come across and draw a big curve for the beginning of our cup. And then let's just bring it in right here. Just draw a little curve to bring it in. And once again, we're going to come out here. And we're going to draw our cup. So we're going to draw an angle line. About that much. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And from there, let's see, about that tall, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. All the way across. So there, we got our cup in. And then now let's decorate it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to add my cherry. So I'm just going to draw a curve all the way around. And I'm going to come in here and draw a curve. And then bring out the stem. And I'm just going to thicken the ends. And then from there, let's draw the sprinkles on the first scoop. So I'm just going to come here and basically here and there, I'm just going to maybe draw a little mound, like a little sprinkle. Then I'm going to draw some circles inside. Here and there. Okay, so then maybe the second scoop, I'm going to draw a different kind of sprinkle. So they're going to be the thinner, longer kind. So here and there. At different angles. There. Now I'm just going to leave this as the drizzle and then the scoop of ice cream. And then from here, let's add a little spoon. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm just basically going to bring out a handle for a spoon and bring it back all the way in to our ice cream. And so just come right here and just draw a little curve to give our spoon some dimension. And now to decorate our cup. So if you don't want to put eyes on it, just go ahead and if you want to make it like mine, just going to add polka dots all around. But if you do want to bring this ice cream to life, go ahead and draw some Draw So Cute eyes right here. So I'm going to add 2 circles. And I'm going to go across and draw the other one. And let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to put 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you love ice cream, especially Draw So Cute ice cream, make sure to check out my Draw So Cute ice cream playlist. I've drawn many over the years, and I love to change them up a little bit for you. So this one's a little bit different. This one's in the cup. So hopefully you guys love this one just as much. Okay, and a shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so then I'm gonna come up here and I'm just gonna add a little curve to anchor my eyes. And right in the center, I'm gonna add a very sweet, cute little smile. Cap it off. And you can add a little U at the bottom to make it happier. And a curve for the tongue. And so then from there, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my polka dots so that I can add some color to this cup. So because I have the eyes in here, I don't want to put circles right next to it or else it'll be too busy. So I'm just going to add these half circles throughout the cup on the edges, here and there, just to indicate that it is a polka dot cup. And so there, that's pretty much it for this new Draw So Cute Sundae. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.